The moon's soy sauce secret.
月亮酱油的秘密。
Every night, a little girl named Momo talked to the moon outside her window.
每天晚上，小女孩默默都会对着窗外的月亮说话。
Every night, a little girl named Momo talked to the moon outside her window. One evening, she noticed the moon looked extra shiny, almost glowing like silver soup.
有一天晚上，她发现月亮特别亮亮的，像一碗银色的汤。
One evening, she noticed the moon looked extra shiny, almost glowing like silver soup. Are you okay? Moon Momo whispered.
月亮，你还好吗？默默小声问。
Are you okay? Moon Momo whispered. Suddenly, a tiny voice replied, I'm hungry.
突然，一个小小的声音回应：“我好饿。”
Suddenly, a tiny voice replied, I'm hungry. Momo jumped. The moon talked.
默默吓了一跳，月亮在说话。
Momo jumped. The moon talked. What do moons eat? She asked.
月亮要吃什么？她问。
What do moons eat? She asked. I eat light. But tonight I need something special, the moon said shyly.
我平常吃光，但今晚我想吃特别的东西。月亮害羞地说。
I eat light. But tonight I need something special, the moon said shyly. Momo ran to the kitchen and returned with a tiny bottle.
默默跑到厨房，拿着一个小瓶子回来。
Momo ran to the kitchen and returned with a tiny bottle. Here, Mom's secret soy sauce. It makes everything delicious.
给你，妈妈的秘密酱油，它会让所有东西变好吃。
Here, Mom's secret soy sauce. It makes everything delicious. She opened the window and the moon gently pulled the bottle up with a beam of silver light.
她打开窗户，月亮用一束荧光轻轻把瓶子拉上去。
She opened the window and the moon gently pulled the bottle up with a beam of silver light. This is amazing, the moon shouted after a sip.
哦，太好吃了！月亮喝了一口后大喊。
This is amazing, the moon shouted after a sip. Suddenly the moon grew rounder, brighter, and happier.
突然，月亮变得更圆、更亮、更开心。
Suddenly the moon grew rounder, brighter, and happier. Momo, that was the tastiest thing I've had in 1,000 years.
默默，这是我1000年来吃过最好吃的东西。
Momo, that was the tastiest thing I've had in 1,000 years. Really? It's just soy sauce, Momo giggled.
真的吗？那只是酱油耶。默默笑了。
Really? It's just soy sauce, Momo giggled. No, said the moon. It tastes like kindness, and kindness always shines.
不，月亮说，它吃起来像善良，善良会让一切变得更亮。
No, said the moon. It tastes like kindness, and kindness always shines. From that night on, whenever the moon looked especially bright, Momo knew he had enjoyed a good dinner.
从那天起，每当月亮特别亮时，默默就知道他又吃了一顿好晚餐。
From that night on, whenever the moon looked especially bright, Momo knew he had enjoyed a good dinner.